My Cub Cadet riding mower will not start. It is only a year old. I was able to start it once this year and mowed 3 acres but still have 4 to go. I've replaced the battery and solenoid. When I turn the key on, it does not turn over the engine. Any advice?
Do you know the model of your Cadet lawn mower?
LT42.
How long has this been going on with your Cadet lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
Just started this year. Battery was dead after the winter, so I replaced the battery.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It does not seem to be engaging the starter.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. Fuse good? Sounds like there may be a safety switch issue if machine will not turn over at all and fuse is good.
Fuse is good. I'm thinking it might be the starter.
Try jumping the solenoid and see if the starter engages.
On this model it is almost impossible to jump the solenoid as it is behind the battery, which is under the seat which I need to be sitting on to start. Safety feature.
If you have a pair of jumper cables, connect red from battery to the starter, should spin over if it is good.
I'll try that.
Please let me know if you need further assistance. Thank you for the opportunity to assist you. Thank you again, John.
Okay, so I did that. Got a good spark but starter did not engage.
Bad starter then. Should resolve with a replace starter.
Thanks.
Thank you for the opportunity to assist you. Thank you again, hope you have a great day and weekend.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.